Fable, the frogs ask for a king. Tired of the chaos and anarchy in which they lived, the frogs sent a delegation to Zeus to ask him to send them a king. Zeus, granting their request, sent a thick log to their pond. Startled by the noise the log made as it fell, the frogs hid wherever they could. Finally, seeing that the log was no longer moving, they began to come to the surface, and given the prevailing stillness, they began to feel such great contempt for the new king that they hopped onto him and sat on top of him, mocking him relentlessly. And so, feeling humiliated by having as their monarch a mere log, they returned to Zeus, asking him to replace their king, for he was far too docile. Outraged, Zeus sent them a vicious water serpent that, one by one, caught and devoured them all without mercy. What is the moral of this story? When choosing leaders, it is better to choose someone who is straightforward and honest rather than someone who is very enterprising but wicked or corrupt.
Like, comment and subscribe.